What makes the sweet potato souffle delightful? Well, it has a creamy and smooth mashed sweet potato filling with a layer of crunchy pecan crumble topping, then finished off with fluffy marshmallows. Make this delicious dessert starting by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then into a mixing bowl, add the mashed sweet potatoes, white sugar, eggs, milk, salt, and unsalted butter. Mix the ingredients together, then pour it into a baking casserole. Spread evenly, then set aside. Meanwhile, add in the unsalted butter, vanilla extract, brown sugar, all-purpose flour, pecans, and ground cinnamon to another bowl. Fold to combine, then evenly sprinkle the crumble over the sweet potato mixture. Now bake it in the oven for 25 to 35 minutes, and once done, top it off with marshmallows before baking it for another 10 minutes until the marshmallows become slightly brown. Sprinkle over some ground cinnamon and it's ready to serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.